mind since I found you, baby. I've got a brand new start.
Are you Honk and you?
Yeah, you get me cleaning up my drink all the time.
I don't go there. I don't have my
paper. You better have your food there.
The smooth side of Carolina Beach music right here, Miss Patty Page.
Only if he put it on me. I'm gonna try to drink one this time. That's hey, bud, here's one. Honk We Drink. Man, I'm gonna be fine. Dwayne, you hadn't had one.
I'm good.
I got one.
I say talk. Just like a
What the damn thing looks like. They will win. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, this is what I said. This is our snazzy hat contest. Like I'm not in the contest. This is for my friends. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Debbie Houston. Step aside, Debbie. Your turn's up for the Myers, and we've known each other since we were in grade school and grew up together.
I've known you since you were on the beach pushing a snowball cart, and that doesn't count. You have to give us all accolades.
Accolades. Everybody. Now, I've known Debbie for a long time, too. They own Robert's Realty here at North Myrtle Beach for eons. Childhood friend, Ann Roberts Pavilion, the original. Right. And if she's your friend, you yell for her. If you don't like her, you boo her. And you just let us know. She's a Johnny-come-lately, but she's a good one. Now, Annie Fanny here. I'll tell you a little story about Annie Fanny. You tell.
No, you knew a story about it.
Honey?
Oh my goodness, I now remember.
Here, you tell. Fanny. Next we have, oh yeah, oh wait a minute. Yay! Next we have Miss Catherine Tillman.
The guys out, well actually the girls too. Everybody better vote for me, okay? Oh, except Barbara.
Okay, if you're Miss Catherine's friend, now you yell for her. If you're not her friend, you boo her.
Okay, I'm not telling
His fiance. This is Miss Maxine Maynard from Columbia, South Carolina, but from North Myrtle Beach. And I am proud to say she is a Carolina Golden Girl. She made the cut. And now if you don't like her, you boo her. But if you love her, you yell for her. Okay, here we have another Carolina Golden Girl. This is Miss Joyce Hathcock. Now, I could tell you some real stories about her, but I wouldn't. Oh, no. All right, if she's your friend, I want you to yell for her. But if you don't like her, you can give her the finger, you can just snub your nose at her, and boo at her. All right, here we go for Joyce Halfcar. Do the queen wave, do the queen wave, do the queen wave. Do the queen wave. I got to coach these girls. Come on, girls. What? All right, give me Queenie. Can you give them a little music? And the judges will make their decision. Runner-up, Miss Snazzy Hat, and the winner.
How about it for Joyce once again, y'all? Your winner, Snazzy Hat.